Here I got Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open General Management and click on Reset. And here you'll notice Reset Settings tab, just click here and then confirm that you would like to reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data and settings for downloaded apps by tapping on Reset Settings. Now you have to draw the pattern that you have and confirm that you would like to perform this operation by tapping on Reset. And that's it. So as you can see, the settings have been reset and now you can customize everything from scratch. So this is it. This is how you can perform a reset operation of your settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.